Good morning students, I welcome you all to the Shape of Group of School online class. I am really very happy to be with you once again. And now we are in the 6th unit. Already we have completed the prose, poem. Now we are in the supplementary part. So the Never Nest. It is a play, it's a drama written by Cedric Mount. So they have got some characters. Usually the playwriters, they write the story with some characters. Now in this story we have got Jack is the head of the family, then Jill is Jack's wife, and Aunt Jane and the nurse. These are the people, those who are there in the play. So usually we have to see the author who has been written this on. So if you have your book, please open your book to page number 195. So you can see about the author. So his photograph is given there. Cedric Mount is considered distinguished playwright at his age. So he is a very good playwright. Playwright is the thing those who write the drama, and for the film also some people they write. So he is a writer. He wrote some thoughtful play which includes 12th century lullaby. Lullaby is the thing which makes people to sleep. When the child is sleeping, the baby, they used to sing that. So to cut a long short story, short and natural abuse of vacuum is one act play or essay to performing. So he has written one act play also. There will be only one person, the whole play will be going on. So like that, it's like one play. So he is one play and reference. Statics and witty is intelligent and insightful. The story has a meaning in it. Every drama which or whatever he writes, there will be a moral in it. These are one play exposed of shams of contemporary society besides delicacy abolishing their guilty. So what happened here, he writes about the person. So what happened is they wanted to show off their status of life to others. So what happened here? So this story, let us go into the story and take page number 191. So here, so there are so many dreams for us. So after we complete our study, we will be going to work and earn. Then how we are going to live? So there are some persons dream to build a new house, own house to live, then a car, and like that, and a very beautiful lady to be married. So all these things they dream. See there in this page they are given a boy has been dreaming. So what is going to become? But all this will be possible only when you are working hard. Your dream comes true when you work hard. So all your wishes will be fulfilled. But you have to work hard, you have to study well, you have to make yourself efficient. Not only the books which we are given here, you have to go through some books and you have to inculcate your knowledge. So here we are now in the page number 191. So the characters I told you, Jack. So scene, this is in the launch. Launch means we call it as a hall. Now in no place, but in foreign countries, the entrance room, the guest room, or we can say like that. Jack and Jill's villa at the New Hampstead. Though they have got their new villa. Villa means a house with all the facilities, with the garden. The essential furniture consists of the table. So inside the room, they have got a table on which are writing materials, paper, pen, and other things, and 2 chairs are there. As the curtain rises, the launch is empty. So now the screen is been opening, and we can see these things, the lounge, and that a table, and on the table there you got 2 chairs, and on the table you have got the writing materials and other things. So let us go into the lesson. So but Jack and Jill come immediately. So both the husband and wife, now they are entering into the scene, and they start. Jill. And this is the lounge. So aunt also. So while they were there, his aunt, that is Aunt Jane. She enters the hall and sees that Jack and Jill are there. Charmingly, such a cozy means a very comfortable, little room and such pretty furniture. So when she came inside, she sees the room. There the furnitures are good and it was also a comfortable. She was sitting in a sofa, a chair which has been very, very comfortable. Cozy means comfortable. We like it. So Jack moderately. So we like it to, handy place to sit in this and listen to the radiogram. Not we don't have only the hall, we also got a radiogram, a radio. Or we call this a record player and other thing. Nowadays we have got everything in our cell phone. You want to hear a song, you want to hear FM, everything inside your cell phone. But in those days, they have to hear the song or a thing only in the gramophone or radiogram. Oh, have you got a radiophone as well as car and a piano? So you have got all these things. You have got a car also and you have got a piano. So all these are there in the hall. Why, of course, Aunt Jane, you simply must have a radio set nowadays. Nowadays it's a common thing that each and every house has got a radio set. So we have got it. Nothing, it's not a thing. And it's so nice for me when Jack away for as business. So what happened? He will be going out of business and I will be at home. So Jill is telling that. So at that time what happened? I will be hearing to the thing, the music and other thing. And so that I listen to it while I cook. Sit down. Aunt Jane, you must be tired. And we have shown everything now to you to now. What do you think of this little nest? So I see here it is the never. See, he used the word twice. So usually this when the writers and other things at home also, when you are being told something by your mother or your parents, so if you don't listen, again they say, for us to listen carefully. So the same way here also the writer writes like that, never, don't do that. Nest is a place where there is all the birds and other things it builds. So it builds with all the things. If you see the nest of a bird, it will be having some small sticks, wire, and all some small pieces of iron and other things. So like that. So here also is got so all put together. So the house is like that. We built it like that with all the things. So he talks about so we are going to see in the lesson also. So here, yes. So I think it's wonderful, my dears. The furniture, the car and the piano and the refrigerator and the radio. What's it? It's wonderful. Really wonderful. So Aunt admires everything in the house. So he says, oh, you got everything. What is necessary? So we owe to all. Jane. Yes, Jack, that's what worrying me. That's okay, what you got is all correct. But it's worrying me. Why are you worried? Yes, the check I gave you on the wedding. I gave you a present on the wedding day. A check. And it was only 200 pounds. Wasn't it? Or I put 2,000 by mistake. So what's it? I gave you only 200 pounds for your wedding reception on that day. So I am doubts that when I see all these things, all the furnitures and everything, what all you say, the piano, the car and everything. Oh, so I have made a mistake by giving you. I have given you 2,000 pounds. Why no? And what on earth made you think? Why are you thinking? No. No, don't think like that. You gave us only 200 pounds a check. Well, that's all right, but I still don't altogether understand this house. But what I'm thinking is, how did you buy all these things? I have given you only a small amount of 200 pounds, but the things which I see here looks like the price will be more than what I gave you. So, well, that's all right. It's lovely, but doesn't it cost? So, this house, rent? Oh, no, we don't pay. So, how much rent do you pay for your house? No, it's not a rented house, it's our own house. So, Jack says, but Jack, if you don't pay the rent, you will be turned out. So if you don't pay the rent to the owner, he will send you out of the, and you have to stand inside the street, and that's what they never do. You will jail, and so what will happen to you if you don't pay the rent? The owner of the house will send you out. You and your wife and your baby has to be in the street. Think now. So you know. So turn to the page and see. No, Aunt Jane, you are misunderstood me. We don't pay rent because the house is ours. Yours? Aunt got very thing. Why? Yes, you must pay 10,000 for its. I think it is only 10 pounds. So 10 pounds for this house. You see, Jack, and we realize how uneconomic it is to go and pay. So it is expensive. You go and pay for the rent for the whole year. So when you can buy and enjoy a home of your own for 10 pounds. So this house is for only 10 pounds and you can use it. And a few quarter payments. So only quarterly, 3 months once we have to pay the installment. Why? Mr. Tenant, when you can be my owner. I see. Yes, there is something in that. Even so. So getting and well placed. Oh, he is. Stop. Yes. So I see there is nothing in that. What? So you must be getting as well. So I think you have got some increment. Oh, yes. Aunt. Why last year you got 5 shillings? So only. Did you, Jack? Oh, of course. That was nothing really. I am expecting 10 this Christmas. So this Christmas there will be a hike for 10 shillings. Jack, I have get thought of something that car, it's yours. So the car which is standing outside. Of course it's mine. All yours? Well, no, not exactly all. How much of it? Oh, I should say the steering wheel and one of the tire. So I pay the owner. I may be the car owner, but I own only the steering, the wheel, and only one tire, and about 2 of the cylinders. But don't you see that's the wonderful thing about it? I don't see anything wonderful. Jane is saying, no, I don't think that it's wonderful, because having only steering and only one wheel and one tire and there's nothing there. But there is, and you see, all through we never buy a car outright. So if you don't buy it now, we cannot buy it. So we can enjoy all the pleasures of motoring for a near 5 pounds. So if you pay 5 pounds per month, so what happened? It will be one day the car will be mine. And the rest of that easy installment, I suppose. So now only she is breaking the thing. So easy installment. So buying the thing with easy installment. So exactly. And what's about the radio? Well, is that, and the piano, well, of course, and the furniture. I'm afraid so. All the things in your house, you have bought it as an installment. So, well, no matter of fact that it's one. And the rest belonging to Mr. Six. So, what happened? எல்லாமே நீ வாங்கிக்கிறது எல்லாமே மால்வாரி கடையில் வாங்கின பொருள் தான். So, it is nothing of this is on Sagnens, the shop here. So, we have got many shops like that. So, where we get indeed things in installment. So, well, I'm not going to sit on it. So, aunt got up suddenly from the chair and said, no, I'm not going to sit in the chair which belongs to the Marwadi or a Sagnens, the part. So, I let me stand, because it is not yours. You called me to your house and I have come here, but the chair is not yours. It belongs to some other person. Well, actually, he talks about the pocket book and consulted. Actually, to 7 pounds. So, what is your real income? Yeah. So, how much do you pay? 7 pounds and 8 and 8 pieces. All these things I pay the installment. The total installment comes to 7 pounds and a thing. Good heavens, how much do you earn? So you are paying that nearly 7 pounds. So, but what is your earning? As it matters the fact that it is 6 pounds. So I have only 6 pounds. My monthly income is 6 pounds. But how much I pay? I pay really 7 pounds. So what is the remaining? But that's offered. How much do you pay, sir? How can you pay? You are earning only 6 pounds, but you are paying 7 as installment. Oh, that's easy, you see. All that you have to do is to borrow the rest of the money. So, what's happen is, the remaining, the whole income we are going to put it in the installment. So, and the remaining we have to go and the thrift providence. So, there is a thing there. The corporation which is giving us the thing. That's only too glad to loan on any amount. So, you can get any type of any amount they were ready to give. And how to repose this and how could you pay it back? Getting the money, there are many financiers that are ready to give, but how are you going to return it back? Installment? She slaps, so she puts her head and this is on the forehead, back quickly into the chair. Then realizing that she is sitting on the side, so tightly she sat, but suddenly she got out. Aunt Jane, is nothing the matter? Would you like to lie down? So you are looking very tight. You want to lie down? Lie down? You suppose I am going to trust myself in my bed, which it doesn't belong to you. So it belongs to Seg or Marks and Spencer's. So these are the name of the shops or somebody. No, I am not. I am going home. So I don't want to be here because these things are all not there. Doesn't belong to you. So I am going home. I think it will be better. I will drive you to the station. So can I take you to the station? What? Travel in a car. So I will take you in my car. What is that? Only one tire and steering. And how is it for the no thanks? I will go by bus. Well, of course, if you feel like about it, so let you can go. No, I am sorry. If I sounded you to say, if I said anything wrong, so please take care. But really, I am shocking to find the way. So I thought that meaning to give you anything. So let me give me another check of your hand before leaving. Thank you, aunt. It's nice to have. There is then. So goodbye, aunt. I'm thinking goodbye, my dear. And Jack got out from the check and kissed her. And when he looked into the check, this written 10 pounds. Then she hurried because he is getting only 6 pounds of salary. Out of that, he is paying away nearly 7 to 8 pounds as the installment. So remaining amount only will be had to spend for himself and his wife and his baby. So at that time, what happened? When she leaves, the nurse comes in. Oh, nurse, I want to run. So when he got the check for 10 pounds, what happened? He put it in an envelope. And at that time, what happened? The nurse is coming. Then only he is remembering what is really happening. So the nurse came and he gave that. So certainly, madam, she hands to the baby to the Jill. So what happened? She is bringing the baby and she is handing it over to the Jill, his wife. So why? So that was great. We have payoff for the next 2 months. So everything is what all the things. The baby is also in the installment. They have taken the wife to the hospital, but he has paid the amount. The baby is there to look after, and he is paying he didn't even live. Well, that's all right. We have to send it to. So I have to send the check, which is the remaining installment to Dr. Martin. Oh, Martin, really doctors are very rich. Why are you sending that? There's now angrily Jill said that this is the last installment. If I don't pay that last installment to the doctor, we will be not receiving the baby, which is our baby. So now only is realizing that how that she not only the things which is being brought for the installment, the baby which is their own child. So they used to say all these things are for my children. But what is the use which doesn't belong to us? Everything it's only the burden for our children and other things. So she holds it and the infant and so at last what happened? She got the baby and now only says so. Hereafter you should not take anything in the installment. They come to a conclusion. Hereafter we will set up a family. So what we earn, we will be spending, and let us save some money for our baby, for our future also. So my dear children, installment varavu ettana selavu pattanaanu solli or solvaar. So not like that. Whatever your wish may be, but it should be under your handful of things. No, don't going and borrowing other things. And some people they say enjoy their festivals and other things by borrowing the things or getting loan and other things. What happened at last? They will be suffering. They have to take their whole amount and they pay the interest and other things will be more high. Many people they talk of many words, but many families are being destroyed due to this loan. So my dear children, when you are being grown up, when you are growing up and you are earning, take your life in what you earn. Then only you can lead a happy life. So this lesson tells that live a life within your income. Don't go and borrow and put yourself into trouble. So thank you very much, students, for being with me. And this lesson usually will be very useful. And God bless you and take care. Thank you.